students, once again welcome back for chemistry online class. Today we shall begin new chapter in chemistry, that is chapter 5, water. For this you can refer to page number 73 to 77 in your textbook. Before I start this, I would like to give you a brief introduction about water. Which substance do we use in maximum amount during the whole day? Obviously, water. Water is one of the most important substance found in nature, and water is essential or necessary for all forms of life on earth. It means that life would not be possible without water. As you know that 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water and 1/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with land. About 97% of Earth's water is present in rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, ocean, etc. Rest 3% is fresh water. About 70% of the weight of the human body is water. Suppose your weight is 50 kg, it means that 35 kg of water is present in your body. Green vegetables contain 80 to 90% water. Milk contains 80% water. Meat contains 75% water. Even dry cereals contain 4% water. It means that water is present everywhere. Besides drinking, washing, water is used in many other purposes. Water is used in most of the industries, factories, mills, construction site. They need plenty water and they cannot run without water. Now let's move on to today's topic, water resources. Now what are resources? Materials that we get from the environment or the nature to meet our needs are called resources. Water is one of the natural resources because it is essential for all living organisms to stay alive. Here, taps, tube wells, ponds, lakes, seas, rivers, ocean, etc. are the example of water resources. These sources get water from rain. That means rain is the main source of water. Now, the important water resources can be classified as surface water and rainwater. Now, what is surface water? The water which is found on the surface of the earth is known as surface water, like river water, lake water, pond water, sea water, ocean water are the example of surface water. Surface water naturally replenished by precipitation, naturally lost through discharging by evaporation. Some of the surface water lost due to seepage into the ground. Now next here, rainwater. Rainwater is the purest form of naturally occurring water. Raindrops which are present in the cloud are the purest form of water. However, rain falls from the cloud. It dissolves many gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen from air. It also brings with it smoke, dust particles from the atmosphere. Therefore, the first shower of the rain contains many impurities, and the shower that follows are pure. Now next year, underground water. The water which is trapped beneath the earth or the water which is found under the ground is known as underground water. This here, rain, river, melting of snow, these are the sources that recharge the supply of underground water. River water. Now what is river? A river is a water body which is formed by melting of snow on the mountains. It is also formed by rainwater, a part of rain that flows along the surface of the ground. This water goes into drains, streams, lakes, ponds, and rivers. Snow on the mountains melts, forms water. This water also flows into the rivers. As the water flows in the mountains and plains, it dissolves many impurities on its way. Therefore, river water contains a large amount of dissolved and suspended impurities. If river water is used for drinking purposes, it has to be filtered and purified before use. Now next year, lake water. Now what is lake? A lake is a water body surrounded on by all the side land. Lake is still and standing. It means that lake water doesn't flow. It remains standing. Here the amount of minerals present in the lake water is less than the well water and spring water. Now next year, sea water. Sea is a large water body. Sea water is the largest natural water resources. However, it is the source of common soil, and this sea water is the impure form of water. The sea water cannot be used for drinking purposes as it contains lot of dissolved salt. Now next year, 3 states of water. Water can exist as 3 physical states, like ice. Ice is the solid form of water. Water is the liquid form of water. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Ice, water, and water vapor, these are the 3 physical states of water, and this state can be occurred in nature. In solid state, ice are found as snow, frost, ice, etc. in nature. In liquid state, water is present in rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, ocean, etc. In gaseous form, water is present in the form of vapor in atmosphere. Now next year, interchangeability of 3 states of water. It means that water can be changed from one state to another and back to original state. As you know that when ice is heated, it melts and changes into water. And ice is the solid form of water and water is the liquid form of water. When ice is heated, it melts and changes into water, which is a liquid state of water. This change of state is known as melting or fusion. Melting or fusion is the change of state from solid to liquid state on heating. On further heating, this water changes into steam. Here, this change of state is known as boiling, or you can say evaporation also. Here water on further heating starts boiling at a particular temperature. So we'll get steam. Steam is the hot water vapor. Condensation is a change of state from gaseous or vapor state to liquid state by cooling. On further cooling this water, we can get back ice. Here, when you cool this water, we can get back ice, and this change of state is known as solidification or freezing. It means that here water can be changed from ice to water, water to water vapor to water, and back to ice by reversing the condition. Now here last one, importance of water in everyday life. As you know that water is one of the most important substance found in nature. All animals and plants, they need water to stay alive. Without water, life would not be possible. We need water in our everyday life for many purposes. The water is used by animals, by animals and human beings for drinking, washing, bathing, and other purposes. Water plays an important role for a large number of life processes like blood circulation, digestion, excretion. As you know that all living beings, they are made up of one cell or many cells, and this cell also contains 80% of water. Water provides shelter for marine, aquatic animals or plants. They get dissolved nutrients and oxygen from water for their survival. Water controls our body temperature by the process of sweating and evaporation. Seed need water for germination. You know, germination is the process in which a seed germinates into new plant when it gets a suitable condition. Suitable condition means air, water, and light. Here, germination is a process in which a seed germinates into a new baby plant when it gets suitable condition like water, air, and light. And water is also needed for growth of plant. Green plants, they need water to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. As you know that photosynthesis is a biochemical process in which green plants, they prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide from the air with the help of stomata, and they absorb water and minerals from the soil with the help of roots in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll. Water is the medium for the transportation of people and goods through sea, boats, etc. Water is used to produce electrical energy, running floor mills, in navigation, etc. Water provides recreational sports like swimming, boating, etc. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.